Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the device is unlocked and on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Backups require a connection. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, then choose iCloud to see storage and backups. Once you're looking at iCloud, tap Manage Storage or iCloud Storage, then select Backups. This shows device-specific backups and sizes, so you know which backup to remove. Make sure you pick the iPhone backup you intend to delete. That prevents removing the wrong device's data. Now that you've selected the specific iPhone backup, tap the device entry to open details. Scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Backup, then confirm Delete again. This permanently removes the iCloud copy. You're doing this to free iCloud space or stop syncing obsolete backups, so make sure you've preserved any needed data elsewhere. Once deleted, iCloud won't restore from that backup. New backups will be created only if iCloud backup remains enabled, and the phone backs up next time. After deletion, go back to iCloud settings and decide whether to disable iCloud backup or leave it on. This controls future copies. If the deleted backup still appears, sign out of your Apple ID on the iPhone and sign back in. That forces a refresh. Finally, verify deletion by checking another device or iCloud. If you still see the backup, retry deleting after a short wait, because iCloud syncs may take a few minutes to propagate across Apple servers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.